as you can see, my channel has gotten me over 38,000 views, 2,000 watch hours, and over 1,000 subscribers in the past month and a half. And in this video, I want to show you what has made this possible and how I managed to achieve this. So which videos helped me get this amount of views, why these videos got this amount of views, and all of these good things. I'm going to take you into the back end of my channel and I'm going to show you everything. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's have a look at the behind the scenes of my channel. So as you can see here, over the past 28 days, my channel has gotten over 25,000 views, 1,200 watch hours, and over 619 subscribers. Now, as I mentioned, my channel actually started to boom about a month and a half ago. So I'm going to go ahead and take you back to that timeline. So let's go, and I'm going to insert a custom date. I know the video that originally boomed my channel, I published that one on the 11th of July. So I'm going to take that and up until today, and we're going to apply this. So as you can see right over here, this is actually when my channel started to boom. So it started to boom with this one video of mine, the reality of being a new YouTuber, right? So this was the turning point for my channel. Okay, so I started to really, the views started to stack up from here, kept on growing. So as you can see, I posted a video a week. I think there was just 1 week where I didn't post a video, but the other weeks, every single week I posted one video. Then after I actually posted the first trending video on my channel, it grew and grew, and then I posted another one over here that really started to stack up the views for me. This one was called "This New Video Style is Taking Over YouTube." Okay, so as you can see, as a result of these two videos that truly boomed, my channel has went on to get almost 40,000 views in a month and a half. Okay, so let me go and show you a bit behind the scenes of these different videos. So let's go and click on that one. The video that I'm referring to is this one right over here. And as you can see, over the past 30 days, this video has gotten almost 22,000 views, which is incredible. So, what happened with this video, and the reason I believe that it did so well for my channel, is I had a pretty high click-through rate for this video. So as you can see here, a 9% click-through rate, that's really good for my channel. Now, I do want to mention that, click-through rates can look different for different channels. For some channels, a click-through rate of, let's say, 5% can be excellent. Whereas for other channels, a click-through rate of 10+% is excellent, right? So if your channel isn't necessarily reaching the 9% mark, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a low click-through rate. You just need to look at the click-through rates in your industry, right? I'm pretty sure you can go and do some research to discover like the average click-through rate of your specific industry. And if you can't, you can also go ahead and check on, your videos and see which ones of your videos are getting the highest click-through rate, so you can continue creating similar thumbnails and titles for those videos. Because when it comes to a click-through rate, the stuff that really matters is your thumbnail and your title, okay? And obviously also the topic. So if the topic is good, more people are going to click on it. Now, as you can see right over here, this video has gotten, YouTube has significantly pushed this video out. So it's gotten me 183,000 impressions from YouTube. Now, I quickly want to mention the way that I created this video, I've done based on a very specific strategy. Now, if you want to know what strategy I used to create these videos that finally helped me boost my channel, I created an ebook called A Guide to Thousands of YouTube Views and Watch Hours. So I've linked the ebook in the description below, and you can go and buy it if you want to also create videos like this, because there is a specific strategy that you can follow to create these videos that'll help your channel just boost. Now, as I'm sure you've seen with other people's YouTube channels as well, if you want your channel to start growing, you really need that one video to take off. That's all you actually need. And from there, YouTube starts to give you more recognition, more people start watching your videos, and it's like a snowball effect. So as soon as you can get that video to boost your channel, it'll continue to grow, right? And in this ebook, I give you the best strategy that I've come across that can help you create viral videos. Okay, so if you're interested in that, then go ahead to the description and check the ebook out. Okay, so getting back to this, behind the scenes, as we can see here, like I said, YouTube suggested most of this. So most of the traffic came from there, right? But we can also see that some of the, traffic also came from other places like Google and all of those things, okay? Now, you can also see here that other videos that are suggesting my videos, YouTube is now in easy mode, anyone can blow up. So these are actual videos that are also suggesting my videos to their viewers. Now, what I want to also go into is I want to show you, I am still struggling a bit with engagement, but the more views you get on a video, the more your engagement is going to be lower. So this video has a 30% average viewed, which isn't really high, but I also have a theory on why that is the case, because I have a lead magnet that I promote in this video, and I think it's in the first portion of the video. So it's around here. So I can just imagine that when people actually go and download the lead magnet, they aren't necessarily viewing the rest of the video, which is okay because I'm getting them on my email list, which is even more important than, just, having them on my YouTube channel. So that's okay. But yeah, as you can see, the watch time from this one video, that's why I'm saying it's so important, is 1,100 watch hours just from this single video. So you can see how, big of an impact one single video can have on your channel, and it can really help you boost. Now let's go ahead and look at my other videos on my channel. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. And as you can see here, I recently posted this video. So this video isn't ranking as well as the other ones or doing as well as the other ones. And that's okay, because not all of your videos are going to be home runs. Oh, home runners, I don't know. But not all of them are going to, stand out, from all of your other videos. That's just the nature of YouTube. You never truly know which videos are going to be the ones that are going to take off. But with the help of that ebook that I mentioned earlier, you can definitely make really good guesses at which videos are going to be able to go viral. And I also want to mention, as I spoke about the click-through rate earlier, so that click-through rate of my video is 9%, which is really high. And the reason being the thumbnails and the titles. And a great thing about this ebook that I created is I also talk about how to create really enticing titles and thumbnails for your video so that you can also get high click-through rates. Okay, so back to the dashboard. Okay, so I quickly want to go ahead and show you my first video that did really well, and which was the main reason that I started doing so well on YouTube. So it's this one, right? So you see 11 July. Now, as you can see, what happened with this viral video is it really went viral, and then it just, didn't get me any more views really, right? So it still gets me views here and there. Like, for example, it got me 2 views there, 3 views in that hour, 2 views in that hour. So it still does bring in views, but not nearly as much anymore. So this one has 11,000 views, but it also got me 238 subscribers, which is incredible. And like I said, your first video that booms doesn't necessarily have to keep on getting you views. It can be like this, right? It can go and trend, and then it can just bring in more subscribers, bring in more views to your channel, so that YouTube starts recognizing your channel, and so that, viewers in your industry also start recognizing your channel. So let's go and see. This one has a 4.8% click-through rate, which isn't the best. But again, look how many views it got me. So that's why I'm saying, a lower click-through rate isn't always bad. Sometimes it can still bring you a lot of views, but you want to try to make your thumbnails as good as possible. And this one also got me over 600 watch hours, which is incredible. So I also just want to mention, with these videos that I created, I didn't focus on SEO at all. Okay, I wanted YouTube to actually recommend my videos to more viewers, and that's why I heavily focused on the topic of the video, the title of the video, and the thumbnail of the video. So the 3T strategy, which is something that I teach you in the ebook, right? And it really worked, because out of the 7 videos that I've posted over the past month and a half, 2 months, 2 of those videos actually went viral and got me all of these views and got me so many subscribers. So I'm just going to bring the screenshot up again. So as you can see, over this period of time, with 7 videos total, I've gotten over 1,000 subscribers, over 38,000 views. And, my channel is it just keeps growing more and more. So now that you know what it takes to actually grow your channel, and that you just need that one video to push you up, I hope this has given you a bit of hope to know that your channel can also grow. It really does take one video. It does. And so I know that you can do it. You just need to go ahead and find trending topics, make your titles and thumbnails as enticing as possible, and one of your videos are going to take off and help your channel grow. So if you want to learn more about, growing on YouTube, over the past 2 years, I've spent over $2,000 on YouTube courses, and I give you the top 5 pieces of advice that I learned during that time in this video right over here. So go ahead and check that out. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.